Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go. Happy creating, everyone. Today is Saturday. It's a rainy Saturday, but nonetheless, this has brought me a great deal of sunshine. I did a pocket letter swap, and this is my first return on that swap. How about that? I am a little skeptical about how to get in this. I do want to save this packaging. Oh man. Okay. So I'm just going to trim off the edge, as much of it as I can, just staying as close to the edge as I can. Hopefully I shouldn't catch anything because it's pretty big of a package. Let me see. Okay. I'm in. I'm in, everyone. Look what we have. Okay. I'm smelling something. That's odd. I don't think it's my tea. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. This is my first pocket letter ever. Okay. I had no clue what I was doing. Not a clue. Not a clue. Not a clue. So this will be, like I said, the first one to go into my book. You know what? I think I'm gonna do this next time. I looked at everyone as I looked at a few. I'm not gonna say everyone. I looked at a few of the videos on YouTube, and they were folding them and putting them in a 6x9 package. So that's what I did. But I think I'm just gonna leave her just as she is and put her. Did I cut through that? And put her in a package like so the next time I do it, because I will be doing it again because it was so much fun. Ooh, listen to that. Get into it. Get into it. Okay, I'm not sure which is upright or not. Take a sip of my tea. Okay, I have some ginger lemon tea going on. All right, we just want to slide her out. Okay, should I close my eyes? Oh gosh, I'm being so silly. Okay, here we go. My eyes are closed, guys. I don't know if there's anything else in there. Doesn't feel like it. Okay, so I'm gonna fold this up. My eyes are still closed, and put her to the side. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's backwards. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's flip it over. Oh, this is so cute. It's a Valentine thing. Okay, let's put this back in. That is so wonderful. I didn't think of I should go Valentine. Oh man, I love it. Thank you, Nikki. This is so cute. I was just doing too much. Being all extra. Man, this is really nice. I like it. Oh, this is nice. Look at this shaker. Okay. So am I supposed to, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Look at her. She got rollers in her hair. She has rollers in her hair. She is so adorable. Did you make this sign, Nikki? No. Okay. I was like, is that 3D? Oh wow, that's just too cute. They are so adorable. Okay, so we have a tag here. Neat. So neat. I've been collecting my negative spaces from when I do my die cuts. And that's why. That is why. Let me make sure. Okay, so it's here. Okay. So let me take out this tag. Well, that's pretty. Okay. From her to me. Let me just go ahead and take her out. She is so cute. Her little feet, her little legs. Oh, oh man, that's really nice. That is so nice. Stick her in there. Okay. Oh, this. Okay, I took that out. Okay. Okay, shaker. Okay, let's shake this tag out. Sending lots of love to you, Yvette Nikki. January 26th. Thank you, ma'am. Let me take her out. Can I take her out? Oh, I didn't notice that. I was wondering. That is adorable. Love the paper. Love the graphics. I love the contrast with the black and white or sepia on top of that. Very, very nice. This is cute. I like that. That is really cute. That came up. I'll put some glue on it. That is really cute. That's the negative space. See that? That's really cute. Oh, I think I'm messing up stuff. Okay. Slow and gentle. There we go. Okay. So this is a playing card. Okay. Made with love. Oh, look at you with your stamp. Nikki Oliver. Nice. Nice job, my dear. Thank you kindly. In little envelopes. Okay, what we have is clearly, there's like something in here. Okay, so we have a heart, heart stamp. Oh, I love it. I love the texture. Look at this heart. Nice. Oh, it's really pretty. Really pretty. Thank you. Okay, put you there. This is stamp? Okay. Nice. Okay, that doesn't come off. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh! Here's another goodie. Okay, if I can get in it. Look at that, baby. Very nice. That's so nice. Thank you, Nikki. Put you back in there and you slide back in this bucket. And this is a pocket letter swap that we did in the Junk Journal Divas Facebook group. Look at here. Pretty. Very nice. Shim shim. Cool. Cool. Now, oh, I didn't see the houses. Take out the houses. I like the houses. I need to get some die cuts of some houses. I don't know if I'll be able to fussy cut little houses like that. That's technical. Oh, technical stuff there. Okay, let me check out my tassel. I didn't check out my tassel. Ooh. Here's my tassel, guys. Oh, she stapled it. I wonder why she stapled it. Is this and staple at the end too? I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. Look at this. That's really pretty. Oh, I didn't see this. Okay. Well, I'll leave it in there. It says, love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. It does not demand its own way. It is not irritable, and it keeps no record of being wronged. It does not rejoice about injustice, but rejoices whenever the truth wins out. Love never gives up, never loses faith, is always hopeful, and endures through every circumstance. 1 Corinthians 13:47. I love shakers. Very nice, very nice. Thank you again, Nikki. Now let's put our pocket letter in the book. So this is my binder that I will be using for my pocket letters. Like I said, hers is the first pocket letter. I am expecting one more for this particular swap. Okay. This is going to be fun. I used to do ACT cards back in the day, and I have a book. Oh, it's not lining up. There we go. I have a book, a notebook like so, with all of the ACT cards that I received. Majority of them. I'm sure one or two are missing. Oh, I love the way this is looking. I have a binder just like this. I will share that one day. For now, let's take a closer look. Thank you again, Nikki. I really appreciate my pocket letter. You have a great day, you all. Go be great and create. Till next time. Peace.